Hi all, welcome to another AI day. It's day number 20 and today we will discuss about Node GPT. Earlier we have seen this from this uh, from this AI tools output we have seen for our two videos for 12 days of OpenAI. What we have done, we have used those video from YouTube and we have summarized instead of watching those video we have summarized videos from that links. So let's check how actually this node gpt works. So this is interface for node gpt. This is AI tool where we can create different outputs from YouTube or of like this AI tool supports YouTube videos, Google Podcast, web pages, article, PDF, this Word file, different format. But what I found more useful is it is useful for YouTube videos. So it instead of watching lengthy videos, we can have like quick summary of those video. So from here we can create that summarization, or we can upload video, or we can upload add text as well. And we you just need Gmail account or email ID as well, so it will work. So they have this subscription. So whenever you open this tool, you will get this pop-up like uh, for Christmas. For Christmas, they have this offer, and if you are using uh, on regular basis this kind of content, then you can use this offer as well. Mm. So here we can see that I already used a few videos for OpenAI, and we have seen how it works. We will check for one video. We will check. Uh, Here's what I will do. I will just copy link, and we will use that in this URL section. Now, now you can see transcript is present for each almost 30 for 30 seconds. And here we have Discover option. We can see similar videos as we see in YouTube. Also they have this locate transcript in current video, so it is not available, I think. So transcript along with video. So when you start this,
2024 is the year that AI has taken over the smartphone world. It feels like that's
you
all
can
every
see
company wants.
it's this section is highlighted. So this particular text transcript is for this particular section of video, and we can directly copy whole transcript or download with timestamp or without timestamp. Also we can you can translate this transcript in your language. They have many languages to work on, or check if your preferred language is available or not. And also in summary section we have AI notes, where key points are highlighted in summarized format. Also, there is AI chat where you can extract keywords or generate file related multiple choice questions, summarize 5 facts, extract outline, get notes, or you can ask any question. So you will get answer regarding that. Also, they have this prompt library where summary and notes, prompt related option here you can use those. Flashcard is also available, so let's check how this flashcard work. So it's kind of like creating so it's kind of creating slides. And we have mind map. Mind map creates uh, for presentation where each points and their sub points were arranged in uh, structured manner, where so instead of you can have better idea how what is the exact content and what are key points from this particular video. For remove watermark, I think it's for pro user. You can customize this. Not sure how it works. Yeah, it is for and we also can zoom out, zoom in that part. We can add notes manually here. Select language, download as PDF or this kind. So this is all about. So we can do same thing for other format as well. So let's check out different features or UI interface of this Node GPT. So we can see it is available in two language only, English and Japanese or Chinese, but with two themes. And also for videos they have multiple language support as well. So from create you can create different like notes from link or upload or text. Here they have like what you have earlier created, this kind of like it's just a library of that notes. From AI YouTube, it is specifically I think designed for this section is specifically designed for YouTube, where you can search take subscription feature. Okay, you need to apply for that. Okay, and then batch summarize. Okay, so it is good feature where multiple videos we can refer, and from those video uh, we will have summarize output. So it will be easy. So instead of checking each and every video, this feature seems more helpful. For AI presentation, we have seen like it will be more kind of like uh, for presentation slideshow. Flashcard is just a we have seen flashcards which are on simple slides, text are outlined. For AI book library, they have few books from, yeah, not few, many books are there. So this, from this book, if you are so from this book you can have like detailed summary with mind map as well. So for this book they have used as a node gpt. They worked for these books, they used in node gpt and created summary with different format. For each chapter we can see they have summarized. Then they have tutorials for in detail features about how it exactly works. Then we can provide feedback. It's whenever you click on this, it takes to another tab. Then we have they have communities on Discord, Facebook. And I'm not sure, but it thinks some chat community. Then they have extension on available extension on Chrome as well. Let's try to add the add this. From this we can use OpenAI API as well. Let's check if it is.
Oh wow.
That is so.
They have 15 quotas, so and need to check how exactly this work, because for view stats we check that it is available directly in YouTube, but for this I think we need to mm, okay. So on so
All right.
yeah, so we can see here how it exactly works. So along with Google Chrome, it's available for uh, Microsoft Edge browser as well. So we can just enable this extension and we can see all transcript is present here. दो
दोस्तों 15,000 के नीचे सबसे अच्छे स्मार्टफोन्स कौन से हैं? एक बात कहूं, एक इंटरेस्टिंग ट्रेंड हुआ है और वो ट्रेंड ये है।
okay, so though this YouTuber talks in Hindi language, we can see it getting translated in English, and we can see transcripts, then we can see summary as well. It will take some time. Yes, and here we also can see mind map, but it's paid version, and we can take notes, we can chat. Okay, that is also paid. Then for upgrade, so basic feature which is transcript and summary is available with mind map and your language as well. But I think those languages are also paid one. Okay, we can regenerate, copy summary, save notes, but for free plan it is available for 15 tasks only. So if you are just trying this uh, trying this uh, uh, so if you are trying this feature just for fun, make sure that use carefully. And yeah, or there is always chance that if you are it's part of your like profession, then you can go for paid subscription as well. That's it for today regarding Node GPT. I hope I tried my best to understand Node GPT, and in future I will try to explore more. So let's meet tomorrow with another AI update or news. Till then, have a nice day.